Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush. Today we want to talk about site context in SketchUp. Actually, this item is for Enscape, but you can use the model in SketchUp. So I start Enscape. My Enscape version is 3.4 and site context is a new update in 3.4. So we have completely empty environment in SketchUp, and you can see the HDR of the sky and the ground. So the option is available in here with shortcut O, and you can click on it or press O on your keyboard. When you press site context, you can add site context. When I click on it, you can enter address. For example, I type New York City, and automatically wanting me which New York, and I said, for example, this. So maybe this is part of the town, and you can move your map. I use default map. At the site context data, you can check these items: building and landmarks, street and sidewalks, or topography. I turn off topography and adjust the street and sidewalks, plus buildings and landmarks. I import it. It start importing, and this work need you to connect to the internet. So after a second, this type of 3D model open for us. I fly to see my model. So for example, this is part of the city, and all of the polygons and 3D buildings completely estimately, but it's really good for urban design presentations, and you can use it. So if you look at this screen, you can see that streets and buildings available, but this place is empty. Empty places is a topography, so always check the topography. If you want to restart, you can click on these three lines and remove site context. Very easy and simple. And again, I add site context. I use the new address like New York, and I click on it. I import it, and now I check the topography on default mode. So always you can use this option. It was very useful, and now look at this. You can create amazing animations about city time lapse, sunset, sunshine, and other type of things. For example, some place like that, and you can close it. So I think everything is okay, and this is our environment. All of the streets and skies is completely good, and I'm really satisfied with these type of options in Enscape. So I turn the sunlight to the morning, like for example sunshine about 7 a.m., and you can change the sun position by holding Ctrl plus U and I, like this, something like that. It was really wonderful. For example, some type of landscape and time-lapse videos like this. And you can come to visual setting. You can choose white mode or polystyrene mode. Polystyrene mode can be used for some type of maquettes or models. For example, I contain it about 30, and I increase the exposure about 60, or I can reduce it about 46, and I can increase outline about 10, or higher than 10, about 30, like this. I press the render keys, and very simple and easy, we have these type of renders, but I press cancel. In the SketchUp model, we don't have anything because it's completely visual reality, and you just can see this type of model in Enscape environment. Thanks for your watching. I hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to like and comment. Please subscribe us. Your subscribe support us, and your subscribe and likes is a motive for us. Thanks for watching and goodbye.